How to fix Roblox low memory warning on iPhone and iPad. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix Roblox low memory warning on iPhone and iPad. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step that you'll need to make sure is that you have enough space on your iPhone. So head over to your settings. On your settings, find General, and on General, go to iPhone storage. After you're there, you'll need to see how much storage you have left. So there you can see I have a lot of storage available, that is 81 gigabytes of space, and that is more than enough for running Roblox. Now let's say that I have only 2 gigabytes or 1 gigabytes, very little storage available. If that's the case, Roblox will run on low memory and it will give you the warning. So it basically means that you'll need to free up your space. So there are several ways you can do so. You'll see the recommendations here. You can head over to the recommendations and clear that out. You can also go to your recently deleted, which you can see saves a lot of storage for me. And yeah, you can delete your photos, some applications that you do not use. So yeah, you can do those. Again, after that, what you can also do is search for Roblox and offload the app. Tap on offload and offload the app and reinstall it after you have offloaded it. Doing that will clear out the cache from Roblox and it will free up some storage as well. You'll need to ensure that you have at least 2 gigabytes of storage remaining on your iPhone so that you can play Roblox smoothly. And yeah, that's basically how you fix the problem. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.